Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. From the gentle strokes of cobalt blue to the vibrant hues of lemon yellow, we'll explore the magic of acrylic paints on an 8 by 10-inch cotton canvas. So, grab your brushes, and let's paint our way to an artistic masterpiece together. The materials needed for this project are stretched cotton canvas size 8 by 10 inches acrylic paints, including cobalt blue, cerulean blue, titanium white, burnt umber, yellow ochre, phthalo blue, ivory black, sap green, light green, and lemon yellow. You'll need a 2-inch and 1/2-inch flat soft brush, a 1/2-inch flat stiff brush, a number 1 detailing brush, and a small filbert brush. Start by squeezing a few drops of cobalt blue, cerulean blue, white, burnt umber, and yellow ochre onto your canvas. Use a wet, soft, flat brush and paint the background from the top to the bottom of the canvas. Blend the colors using horizontal strokes to create a smooth, serene sky. Remember, the background is the base of any artwork, so always use a soft bristled brush with an adequate amount of water. Continue using side-to-side movements to create this beautiful sky gradient. Do your best to keep the brush strokes straight across and even. There's no need to clean your brush as you continue to blend these colors together in a gradient. Let your background dry before moving on. Pause this video if needed. Next, create a mountain-like shape in the center of the canvas using phthalo blue, blending it with a small amount of white. This separates the land and the sky in your artwork, setting the stage for the rest of your landscape. Take some time to fill in the mountain shape, switching from dark blue to white when needed. Blend the paint pigments as shown here. Add and blend white paint into the central portion of this mountain as you work. Grab a small fan brush and apply sap green and light green to the lower region of the painted mountain, creating the illusion of a lush green field. Gradually introduce both shades of green and black, applying it in a bush pattern. The method for painting this bushy grass is to simply tap the fan brush lightly in horizontal rows. It's okay to switch between colors to portray highlight and shadow. You're doing great! Add darker tones to shaded areas and lighter tones to areas where the light naturally hits. Leave a space in the center to create a pathway between the fields. This visually divides the lower canvas portion into 3 parts. Paint the first and third spaces, leaving the central area untouched for now. Use a filbert brush to craft clouds in the sky using white and a hint of pink. Apply thick paint with the soft brush in circular strokes to achieve fluffy, cotton-like clouds. If you're an absolute beginner, try painting clouds on a rough canvas or paper first to get the hang of it. At the junction of the mountain and green field, make long bush-like strokes with black, then add details with green. Use a dry brush or very little water with paint here. Create 2 trees in the field with a hard, flat brush. Start with a straight line of black, then apply horizontal strokes in a somewhat cone shape. If you would like a step-by-step technique breakdown on painting pine trees in this way, please check out our tutorial. We will link to it in the description below. Take your time, you've got this. Using the liner brush, add details with shades of green and yellow. There is no perfect place to put these details, so add them as you see here or as you wish. Now, it's time to fill in that central space. Detail the pathway with yellow ochre and burnt umber and enhance the green field with black. Use shades of green, yellow, and black to add elongated bushes at the front of the green field on both sides. Add a few flying birds in different sizes to bring your landscape to life. And there you have it, a beautiful landscape painting. This tutorial has taken you through the process of painting a landscape step by step, from setting up your canvas to adding those final touches that bring a piece to life. But remember, the most essential part of painting is to have fun and let your creativity shine. We hope you had an enjoyable and relaxing time today. Like this video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more helpful painting content.